Good everyone. Today we'll be doing a simple pipe and also doing one or two modifications, and if possible we can also do a simple flange also. So this is what we'll be doing today. Straightforward. Let's see how we can modify it. Okay, go to file, click on new, parts. Okay, I use my front plane, I sketch, line, use my 3-point arc, adjust it, use my line again, I click here, I hold my control, I click on this arc, I make it a tangent. I'm creating a relationship, tangent. Done that, I click here, I hold my control, I click here, I also make it a tangent. So you can see now, you can see the difference. I go to dimension, and click here, and here, let's say 150. I click here to this point, I'll say 200. Then click on dimension again, I dimension this 240. Then you can see fully defined. I'm done with that. I'm done. I go to my right plane, I click sketch. This is a cycle, something like this. A small dimension. Yes, let me put it very small, 17. So I'm done. So I'm supposed to have something like this. Here's I have. Now I go to my features, I click on swept balls. So let me delete this if it was not engaged before. See this? This is it. Then the path it will follow. This is the path. Now I don't just want a pipe like that. There should be an opening. So I click on thin feature. So what should be the thickness? Do you want the thickness to be inside or outside? There it is. Click OK. So this is the outcome. You have been able to get this. So if you want to modify it, let's say you want to add something, there's a mistake somewhere, you want to modify it, drop down is the sketch, you go to edit sketch, click on your edit sketch, you can come here, add another line, dimension the line, let's say 700. You can see that I click OK. You see, because I was able to modify it. And let's say you want to also add another bend, you click here again, edit sketch, come here, 3-point arc, I click here, hold my control, I click here, click tangent. You can also decide to dimension it Just check. So this is it. So this is the entrance. That will be the inlet. This can be the outlet. So you can dimension it. So if you want to do any modification on this pipe, you can do it. If you want to increase the thickness, you can also do that. So I hope you guys learned something today. You want to add color, I've told you guys how to add color. Just click on that, come here, depending on what you want. Okay guys, thank you. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you.